Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the Interesting Labs educational channel. Today in this video we're going to learn about exponents and powers along with their properties and roots. Basics of exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. The estimated diameter of the Sun is
1,40,00,00,000
meters, and mass of the Sun is
1,9,100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 kilograms.
It is very difficult to read that much large numbers. So, to make it easy while reading we write them in the form of exponents and powers. So,
1,989,100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000
27 is read as 10 to the power of 27 or 10 raised to the power of 27, where 10 is a base and 27 is a power. To test how much you all understand, here are some questions. 1. What do you understand about exponents? 2. Write the exponential form of 190 million. 3. Write the exponential form of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4. Write 3 power 3 in the numerical form. Also, comment your answers in the comments section below. Powers with negative exponents. So, we have discussed powers of numbers more than 1. What about powers of numbers less than 1? For example, 0.0002, 0.09, 0.0000018974, 0.06023001, etc. So, to make it easy while reading, we use negative exponents, i.e. for 0.0002 is equal to 2 divided by 10,000 is equal to 2 divided by 10 power 4 equals 2 times 10 power minus 4. Therefore, 1 by p power n equals p power minus n, or p power minus n equals p power n. To know how much you all understand about this topic, here are some questions. Write the pattern from 2 power 3 to 2 power minus 4. Hint: 2 cube equals 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8, 2 square equals 2 times 2 is equal to 8 by 2, 2 power 1 is equal to 4 by 2. Write exponential form of 0.0000001986. Write numerical form of 187,569 times 10 power minus 18. Write exponential form of 1027 by 500 million. Also comment your answer in the comments section below. Laws of exponents. 1. For any non-zero integer, p power m times p power n equals p power m plus n, where m and n are integers, p is not equal to 0 and p, and set membership symbol z. For example, a 2 cubed times 2 power 7 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 7 is equal to 2 power 10. b minus 9 power 8 times minus 9 power minus 2 is equal to minus 9 power 8 plus of minus 2 equals minus 9 power 8, minus 2 equals minus 9 power 6. 2. For any non-zero integer, p power m by p power n equals p power m minus n, where m and n are integers. For example, 2 cubed by 2 power minus 4 is equal to 2 power 3 minus of minus 4 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 power 7. For any non-zero integer, p power m whole power n equals p power m times n, where m and n are integers. For example, 5 cube whole square equals 5 power 3 times 2 is equal to 5 power 6. For any non-zero integers, a and q, p power m times q power m equals p times q whole power m, where m is a common integer for p and q. For example, 2 cube times 6 cube equals 2 times 6 whole cube equals 12 power 3. For any non-zero integer, p and q, p power m by q power m equals p by q whole power m, where m is a common integer. For example, 5 cube by 15 cube equals 5 by 15 whole cube equals 1 by 3 whole cube. For any non-zero integer, p to the power of 0 is 1, that is p power 0 is equal to 1. For example, 9 power 0 is equal to 1. Relation between m and n if p power m equals p power n. The relation between m and n if p power m equals p power n, where p is p non-zero integer and p is not equal to 1, p is not equal to 1. Given p power m equals p power n. P power m by p power n equals 1. P power m minus n equals p power 0. We know that p power 0 is equal to 1. Mn equals 0. Bases are equals. Powers will also equal. Therefore, m equals n. Solved problems based on exponents and powers. 1. Find the value of 10 power minus 2. Solution: 10 power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 10 square equals 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. 2. Express 7 power minus 9 by 8 power minus 7 with positive exponents. Solution: 7 power minus 9 by 8 power minus 7 is equal to 8 power 7 by 7 power 9. 1 by 10 power minus n equals 10 power n. 3. Find the numerical value of 6 cubed times 12 power minus 2 times 8 power 0. Solution: 6 cubed times 1 by 12 square times 8 power 0 equals 6 cubed times 1 by 6 times 2 square times 1 equals 6 cubed by 6 square times 2 squares equals 6 by 2 square equals 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, 6 cubed times 12 power minus 2 times 8 power 0 equals 3 by 2. 4. Find the value of x where 9 power x equals 1. Solution: given 9 power x equals 1. 9 power x equals 9 power 0. Since we know that a power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, x equals 0. Since bases are equals, powers will also equal. 5. Find the value of x where 9 square whole power x equals 81. Solution: given 9 square whole power x equals 81. 9 power 2 x equals 9 square. 2x equals 2. Since bases are equals, powers will also equal. Therefore, x equals 1. To know how much you all understand about this topic, here are some questions. 1. Find the value of x in 1 by 64 times 8 power 2x equals 8 power 8. 2. Find the value of 1 plus 1 half power minus 1 plus 8 halves power minus 1 plus 4 power 0. 3. Find the value of form square and cube if m equals 1 and n equals 3. 4. Simplify 6 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 times 4 square times 0.1 and give reasons. 5. Find the exponential form of 0.987654 times 0.000001. 6. Find the value of x where 2 cube equals 2 power x. 7. Find whether the given relation is correct or not. A. 2 power 9 by 2 power 4 is equal to 2 power 4. B. X power 5 times x cube equals x power 15. 8. Find whether the given relations are correct or not. If they are not correct, find the correct answer. A. 2 cube times 4 square equals 8 power 6. B. 2 cube whole power 6 is equal to 2 power 8. C. 4 cube times 4 power 0 is equal to 4 cube. 9. Simplify 2 cube times 3 cube times 6 cube in exponential form and give reasons. Copy the questions and comment your answers in the comments section below. Squares and square roots. Squares. Perfect square, a rational number that is equal to the square of another rational number. E.g. 4, 9, 1, 16, 25, 36, etc. Square number, an integer that is a square of another integer. All square numbers are perfect squares, but all perfect squares may not be square numbers. Perfect squares between 0 and 100 are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. Pythagorean triplets. Generally a, b, c are the positive integers. If a square plus b square equals c square, then a, b, c are said to be Pythagorean triplet. E.g. let a equals 3, b equals 4, c equals 5. Therefore, a square plus b square equals c square. 3 square plus 4 square equals 5 square. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. Therefore, 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. If there are no common factors other than one among a, b, c, then the triplet a, b, c is called primitive triplet. Finding square of a number. We can find squares of small numbers easily. But it is difficult to find squares of large numbers like 24, 29, 79, etc. So, to find them easily we can use these formulae. A plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. For example 24 square. For example 29 square. 20 plus 4 whole square. 30 to 1 whole square. Equals 20 square plus 4 square plus 2 times 20 times 4. Equals 30 square plus 1 square minus 2 times 30 times 1. Equals 400 plus 16 plus 160. Equals 900 plus 1 minus 60. Equals 576. Equals 841. Therefore, 24 square is equal to 576. Therefore, 29 square is equal to 841. Square roots. If a square number is expressed as the product of two equal factors, then one of the factors is called the square root of that square number. It is the inverse operation of squaring. Square root is represented as this symbol, which is 1 by 2 in fraction. E.g. 2 square equals 4. Then, 2 equals 4 power 1 by 2. Therefore, root 4 is equal to 2. Methods to find square roots. Equals methods to find square root of given numbers. 1. By subtraction of successive odd numbers to the given number. To a given root, we will subtract consecutive odd numbers until the remainder becomes 0. Simply, in continuous division method, we will divide the given number until the remainder is 0. But here we will subtract instead of dividing, a number of steps taken to get 0 as the root. Here is an explanatory example. For root 36. 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. 35 minus 3 is equal to 32. 32 minus 5 is equal to 27. 27 minus 7 is equal to 20. 20 minus 9 is equal to 11. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. It took 6 steps to get the final value as 0. So, root 36 is equal to 6. It is a lengthy and time-taking process. Yes. 2. Prime factorization method. You all know much about prime factorization, so look at the given example. E.g. root 900 equals root of 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Equals root of 3 times 2 times 5 whole square. Equals root 30 square. Equals 30. Find the smallest number by which 6,000 should be divided to get a perfect square, and also find the square root of the resulting number. Solution: find the prime factors of 6,000. 6,000 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. Here, 3 and 5 are lonely pairs. So, divide 3 times 5 is equal to 15 with 6,000. 6,000 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 15. 400 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Therefore, root 400 is root 400 equals root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 equals 2 times 2 times 5 equals 20. Finding square root by division method, root 784. Step 1. Pair the digits of the given number, starting from units place to the left. Place a bar on each pair. Step 2. Find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the first pair or single digit from left, i.e. 2. Take this number as the divisor and the quotient. Step 3. Subtract the product of the divisor and quotient. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, from first pair or single digit, i.e. 7 to 4 equals 3. Step 4. Bring down the second pair, i.e. 84, to the right of the remainder, i.e. 3. This becomes the new dividend, i.e. 384. Step 5. From the next possible divisor double the quotient, i.e. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and write a box on its right. Step 6. Guess the largest possible digit to fill the box in such a way that the product of the new divisor and this digit is equal to or less than the new dividend, i.e. 48 times 8 is equal to 384. Step 7. By subtracting, we get the remainder 0. The final quotient 28 is the square root. Therefore, root 784 equals 28. To know how much you all understand about this topic, here are some questions. Define perfect squares in your own words. Find which of the following is a perfect square. 1. 125, 96, 49, 25, 100, 1000, 999, 144, 169, 400. Find the square of 78. Find whether 12, 5, 13 are Pythagorean triplets. Find whether 1, 3, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Find the value of root 4425 through repeated division method. Find the smallest number by which 720 should be multiplied to get a perfect square. Find the through root 784 prime factorization method. Find through root 7056 repeated division method. Find the root 81 through repeated subtraction method. The product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, find the two numbers. 7921 soldiers sat in an auditorium in such a way that there are as many soldiers in a row as there are rows in the auditorium. How many rows are there in the auditorium? The area of a square field is 5,184 square meters. Find the area of a rectangular field, whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the square field and whose length is twice of its breadth. Find the smallest number by which 2400 is to be multiplied to get a perfect square and also find the square root of the resulting number. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 4,489 square centimeters. Without adding, find the sum. First, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Second, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Third, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. You all can copy these questions and solve. Also comment your answers in the comments section below. Cubes and cube roots. A cube number is a number which is obtained when a number is multiplied by itself for 3 times. Cube number is also known as perfect cube. Perfect cubes between 0 and 100 are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, 1000. Finding cube of given numbers. We can find cubes of small numbers easily. But it is difficult to find cubes of large numbers like 24, 29, 79, etc. So, to find them easily we can use these formulae. 1. A plus b, whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. 2. A minus b, whole cube equals a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. E.g., 29 cube. 30 minus 1, whole cube. Equals 30 cube, minus 1 cube minus, 3 times 30 times 1 of 30 minus 1. Equals 27,000 minus 1 minus, 90 of 29, equals 26,999, minus 2,610 equals 24,389. 29 cube equals 841. E.g., 24 cube. 20 plus 4, whole cube. Equals 20 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 times 20 times 4 of 20 plus 4. Equals 8,000 plus 60, 4 plus 240 of 24. Equals 8064 plus 5760. Equals 13,824 therefore, 24 cube equals 13,824. We can find the prime factors of a given numbers through prime factorization method. For example, for 216. 216 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Here, and 3 appears thrice. So, 216 is equal to 2 cube times 3 cube. For example, what is the smallest number by which 1600 is to be divided? So that the quotient is a perfect cube? Prime factors of 1600 are 1600 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. The prime factor 5 does not appear in a group of 3 factors. So, 1600 is not a perfect cube. Hence, the smallest number which is to be divided to make it a perfect cube is 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Cube roots. If a cube number is expressed as the product of 3 equal factors, then one of the factors is called the cube root of that cube number. It is the inverse operation of cubing. Cube root is denoted as this symbol. It is written as 1 by 3 in fraction. E.g. 2 cube equals 8, then 2 equals 8 power 1 by 3. Therefore, cube root of 8 equals 2. Factorization. We can find cube root of a cube number through cube number. E.g. 4 cube root of 74,088, cube root of 74,088 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 7 times 7 cube root of 74,088 is equal to 2 cube times 3 cube times 7. Cube root of 74,088 is equal to 2 times 3 times 7 whole cube root of 74,088 equals 42 cube. Therefore, cube root of 74,088 equals 42. Estimating cube root of a cube number. We can find the cube root of a given cube number by using following steps. Step 1. Take a cube number and separate them by 3. For example, 493,039 be a cube number. Let 493 is a second group and 039 is a first group. Step 2. Check the number whose cube root ends with the unit digit of given first group. For example, 039 ends with 9. We know that cube of unit digit of 9 ends only with 9. Therefore, we got unit digit of required cube root is 9. Step 3. Check that the second group lies between which cubes. The least number of the squares is the tens digit of the cube root, e.g. 7 cube equals 343 and 8 cube equals 512. Therefore 343 493 512, i.e. 7 cube 493 8 cube. As the smallest number is 7, it becomes the tens place of the required cube root. So, first we got unit digit as 9 from step 1 and tens digit as 7 from step 2. So combining both digits, we get the cube root of 493,039. Therefore, cube root of 493,039 equals 79. To know how much you all understand about this topic, here are some questions. Define perfect cube in your own words. Find which of the following is a perfect cube. 1. 125, 96, 49, 361, 100, 1000, 999, 343, 8000. Find the cube of 78. What is the smallest number by which 2560 is to be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube? What is the smallest number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube? Estimate the cube root of 970299. Find the smallest number by which 81 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Find the cube root of 19,683 through prime factorization. Find the two-digit number, which is a square number and also a cubic number. How many cuboids of sides 3 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm will be needed to form a cube? Comment your solved answers in the comments section below. Thank you everyone for watching this video. So, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to TIL Education. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then. Signing off. TIL Education. Also, please subscribe to